You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make.
Hi guys, good morning. Sorry, I have just woken up. It is about 6:30 or so in the morning right now, and मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा वर्कआउट करने का, but I'm going to push myself and I'm going to work out. And because my workout routine is something that was highly requested by you guys, I just thought that I'll film that for you guys today. So I'll just go get ready and let's work out. Hello, so this is my workout fit. I'm still pretty sleepy, but we gonna do this, son. My leggings are from Urbanic. I love the way that this fits. It makes the booty look so good. And this is from Reebok. This is pretty old, but this fits so well. It keeps my girls in place, and yeah, it's just the kind of support that you need for a good workout. And so yeah, this is the fit for today. And this cap I got from Colaba Causeway Market. Hi.
Yo, what up?
Ready for your workout?
Let's go. Come back.
Okay, hello. What are you going to make me do today?
I think today we're going to do some functional training. Yeah, in the ground, in the open ground. I think that will be fun.
Okay.
Yeah, let's
get that
go.
Metabolic
rate high.
Let's go. ये है मिस्टर एक्टर भाई साहब जो बहुत ही काइंड तरीके से आए हैं मेरे साथ वर्कआउट करने के लिए. So thank you for being part of my video, and let's go. Also follow him on Instagram. I will link it down below. Let's. All right, we are going to begin with a little warm-up session. For that, I just find any pair of stairs that I have. This is the stairs that goes towards my football court where I stay. So I use this to kind of do spot jogging. You can either go up and down the stairs, or you can just go up and down one step like this. This works great for me. Then we are doing a couple of high knees. This is great to kind of get your blood flowing and get your heart rate up to begin your workout. This is also something that will work on just getting your body warmed up. And as you can see how Abhinav is doing, he does it properly. Like, you have to get your knees way up high and touch it to your hand. That is the right way to do it. Then we are going to go to my favorite exercise ever, which is squats. This is honestly my favorite exercise to do. Legs is always my favorite thing to work out on. And squats is actually a compound exercise, so it works on multiple muscles, not just like one muscle. So this is a great exercise to do even if you're like just a beginner. I know that when I was beginning, I used to hate doing squats, and now I honestly love doing squats. And my knees are a little knocked, so it might look like it's coming in front, but you can see Abhinav do it absolutely amazingly over here. So if you want tips on the form and everything, please follow Abhinav and how he is doing it here. And I also like adding a couple of jumping squats in this. This is a great kind of addition. I would say this is a little more intermediate level, not like beginner level, because it really really burns your thighs and glutes and all that good stuff. But this is great cardio plus leg workout that you can have. Then we are going to do a couple of push-ups, and I am doing the one with my knees on the ground because I don't have as much upper body strength as Abhinav has. You can see him do it the proper way. I'm sure I am doing some mistakes over here, so you can always look at him and how his form is, but this is the only way that I can do it, and I'm really working hard on getting my push-ups right. So yeah, so that's all that I want to say. But this is great to do because it helps work on your chest muscles, and you don't need any equipment, which is great. Next up, we are going to do some more squats. So this is great for people who don't have very great form while doing squats. If you have like a workout buddy, it will really help to kind of keep your balance and your knees in check while doing squats. This is something that I did when I was beginning my workout and fitness sort of journey, and I love this because I have knocked knees, it kind of helps me keep my knees out aligned with my toes, and yeah, it is great, and it's also fun to do it with a workout buddy. I know it looks like he's almost proposing to me, but unfortunately that's not the case. So hold on to your horses, people. Hold on to your horses. This is the next exercise. This is a plyometric move, which is great because again, working on multiple muscles at the same time. This was honestly the hardest exercise for me to do. I literally died after doing this because, like I said, I have literally no upper body strength. Also, I don't know what is the name exactly of this exercise, but this is just something that I like doing. Again, you can clearly tell I am struggling like the biggest shit piece on earth, but please follow how Abhinav is doing this to see the right form. Like I said, I am trying my level best, but I know there is a long way for me to go before I can perfect this. But like I said, I'm just trying to get out of my comfort zone and not just work on my legs. I do want to work on my upper body, so that's why we are doing like a circuit today wherein we work on multiple muscle parts. Finishing off with the abs, we are just doing some side, I don't know what to call this. Okay, please tell me in the comments down below what you call this exercise. I really want to educate myself, but this is what I like doing when I kind of want to work on my lower abdominal and on my sides. This is great, and I feel like doing some sort of abs at the end of every circuit really helps, because you don't want to do just abs on one day. Meko to pakta hai. I don't know about you guys, but this is just something that helps me keep things interesting and motivated for me to finish my workout. So yeah, this is it. We do this circuit about say 3 times to 4 times depending on time availability, and do some light stretches at the end of it, and that is the workout, you guys. Hi guys, so now I have come back from my workout routine and we are now having breakfast. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm also having some eggs and toast. So I like to eat a little something before I go to the workout, and then after I come back I like having my breakfast as such. So yeah, I guess that is my workout routine. I'm no fitness expert, that is why I kind of got Abhinav also to show you how it is exactly done and the level at which I do it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any other video suggestions. I know my workout routine was something that was highly requested, so I thought 2022, let me just start off with something like this. So I am very hungry, so I really need to go have breakfast, and yeah, I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel, what you doing? And like I always say, Keep it bossy.